So Nico, what are we doing?
We're making food.
What kind of food are we making?
The pepperoni.
Pepperoni?
Yes.
What are we gonna put the pepperonis on?
The pizza.
We make a pizza?
Yes.
Let's do it. What's in there?
Some cheese and eggs.
Good job. What does that say? Say Italian. Put a little in there. Okay, that's plenty. That is gonna be garlicky. Possibly gross. Okay. Do you like pizza?
Yes.
What do you like on the pizza?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni?
Yes.
So this is the pizza crust. Can you say pizza crust?
Pizza crust.
Let's find a pan. How's it look? Does it look
Spicy.
It looks spicy?
Yes.
Wow.
Weird.
Yeah, it looks really weird, but we're gonna try it anyway.
Let's go. Push this button.
While we wait, we eat a pepperoni. Slow down, not too much, okay? That's a lot of pepperoni. That's too much, Nico. Yeah. Nico, no more cookies, dude. You gotta wait till dinner, okay? What are you doing?
No.
That's right, you fight the temptation. What are you doing?
Yes. Oh, no pizza.
Yeah, so we're gonna put sauce on our very oddly shaped ooh, what I can do, I'm gonna make a calzone. Nico, you ready to put pepperonis on?
Yes.
You're welcome. Good job. Good.
Yes.
That looks good. Good job, Nico. We made a calzone on the steak.
Peppers?
No more peppers.
Can you eat some pizza, please? Please.
Nailed it. Nico, we do a good job?
Yes.
We did, huh? Are we gonna eat the pizza?
No.
No. Are you pooping?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Ew, you're pooping?
Yes.
Let's go to the potty.